So, Rachel, how comfortable is that pillow? Today we're going to be looking at a memory foam car headrest neck pillow that was sent to us from Topabyte. Now, what these pillows are intended for is providing extra driving comfort to relieve some neck pain or any discomfort that might be in your neck. They can be very helpful over long distance driving, or if you just want to offer some extra comfort to your family members or friends that might be riding along in the car with you. And also, if you're a rideshare driver, you can offer that extra comfort to your Uber or Lyft passengers as well. They sent us two because there's two of us. I'm going to go ahead and open the packaging. It is not compressed in shipping. It's just a plastic bag that, as we open it up, we've got a little bit of extra packaging here. And this is the neck pillow. It kind of looks like a fanny pack, but it's got this elastic strip with an adjustable buckle on it. You can get it with the embroidered Tesla logo on it or not. If these neck pillows interest you, the link to purchase them is down in the description, and if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you can receive an extra 20% off of your purchase from Topabyte. As an extra bonus, if you like and comment on this video and purchase these pillows with the promo code SPINNER in the first 7 days that the video is up, ending on September 4th, 2024, Topabyte will send a random accessory along with the pillows as an extra gift. I'm going to look at some of Topabyte's own description about these pillows. They are custom fit for all models, tailored to fit Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y, including the Model 3 Highland for 2024. It has an ergonomic curve design that effectively relieves long-term driving fatigue, reduces neck pressure, and provides a relaxed, comfortable driving experience. It is crafted with premium rebound space memory foam. The headrest is soft, comfortable, ensuring excellent neck support. It quickly recovers after loosening, eliminating concerns about pressing or folding. Besides supporting the neck, the headrest is designed to protect your back during sudden stops or accelerations. The set includes a leather lumbar support pillow, enhancing both safety and interior aesthetics. It has easy installation and cleaning with adjustable straps to make installation, removal, and storage a breeze. The zipper back allows for convenient cleaning. Each package includes one headrest pillow and one leather lumbar support pillow. Installation could not possibly be easier. This strap just goes around the headrest. It will just slip on like that. And then we're gonna put mine on. And there we go. This is them in place. Now we need to see if the adjustment strap on this can make it so it fits Rachel. So what are you doing, Rachel?
I am loosening up this strap so that I can have the pillow hang just a little bit lower because I am shorter and I like having the pillow right behind my neck. Let's see if that's enough. Pretty comfy. I think it'll do.
We're going to head home, test these out. After about 10 miles of highway driving, 10, 12 miles of highway driving, we're going to pull over at kind of a halfway point between here and home. We're going to give you some impressions of the pillows, even though we don't really do impressions, of how they feel while we're driving on the road, and give you an overall review of how they enhance driving comfort or not when we get to that park in about 10, 12 miles. We're on our way home, stopped at a stoplight. I'm going to focus on driving for a little bit and let Rachel take over on some of the initial impressions of the neck pillow. So what do you think?
Impressions. My neck makes an impression on the pillow. So yeah, it's very comfortable. I like it. It looks good in the car, and it's definitely more comfortable than without the pillow. Now, I have a specific issue with this headrest and just the headrests in most vehicles.
And when you say that, this headrest, you're talking about the one on the car that came with the car.
Correct.
From the manufacturer.
The way the headrest that is built into the seat hits me on my body, my 5'3.5" body, is that it tends to push my head further forward than I'm really comfortable with, and there's nothing supporting my neck at all. I think these things are designed for people that are taller. People Luke's height generally are more comfortable. Most cars, in my experience, seem to be catering to a taller person, which is a little strange considering really 6'2" is tall. I mean, it's not the average height.
I would say your height's probably more common.
My height is definitely more common for women, and there are a lot of men that aren't much taller than I am too. So it's something to think about. It's just very, very common. Almost every car I've ever been in has not been perfectly comfortable for my neck. That said, that makes this pillow an especially pleasant addition for me in this car. It does make the car more comfortable for me, and I appreciate that. It is big, it's fluffy, it's firm enough that if we're not accelerating or I'm not like leaning back, it does really hold my head away from the seat. My head is not heavy enough to sort of press it flat, which is fine. I think it'll be definitely comfortable if I want to sleep in the car. I wasn't kidding. I do kind of want to fall asleep. But overall, I think it's a good pillow. I like it personally for me, and I think I definitely would want to have the pillow in whenever I'm riding in the passenger seat of this car.
Now here's the thing about me, and I don't think I've ever mentioned this in a video, but when I was 20 years old, I had a year where I raced go-karts on dirt tracks, and I don't mean like the little racing go-karts is what I'm talking about, on dirt tracks, and I wasn't very good at it. One of the second time, F-150 Lightning, the second time that I was out, I slid my right rear into a wall at high speed, and it smacked the car around to the front, and it gave me a compression in, I think, vertebrae number 2 in my neck, and as a result, muscles in my neck tensed up around it, and I've had neck tension ever since for the rest of my life. That it even has caused some calcification in the vertebrae in my neck. So I have stiffness in my neck, I have soreness in my neck, and usually one of the first things that I have to do when I get out of my car after a long drive is kind of roll my neck a little bit and move my shoulders around. This relieves that pressure for me. The pillow is giving me the right amount of pressure at just the right spot so that I don't feel like my neck is having to hold up my head as much. For me, it's relaxing of those muscles and just adding into comfort. It doesn't make me want to fall asleep, but that also could be the steering wheel that's in front of me making me not want to fall asleep. So there is that. But with what's going on with my neck personally, it helps me out. Now I'm 6'2", and the adjustments on the straps for these neck pillows made it possible for both Rachel and I, with our differing heights, to get this set to the exact place that we wanted them. I don't know exactly how much more variation that they could do, but they had enough variation and adjustment for the two of us.
Yeah, since we have such a fairly extreme height variance, I think that will probably accommodate most people. Certainly there are people shorter than me and there are people taller than Luke, but I think most people are probably going to find these pretty comfortable. What else did you want to say?
They won't say anything. It's a nice addition, and it should make our long 1,200 to 1,300 mile one-way trip in a few weeks a lot easier on our bodies.
For sure.
We finished that 10-mile stretch. We got about 8 miles left before we get home. Any final thoughts on these pillows as an addition? Are you awake? Are you awake?
Huh?
Okay, yeah.
Very comfortable. Love it.
I kind of like these. These are not, they're not very pricey either. They look pretty cool as far as, we just got a text message. They look pretty cool with the embroidery on there too. And if you don't want the embroidery, they have those available. And of course, they're available in white as well if you have one of the Teslas with a white interior. The link to purchase these is down in the description. If you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off of your purchase on their website. We've got more of our regular Saturday content coming up. We've got a lot of suggestions from you guys, from comments that we're working on those videos, so please subscribe so that you'll be sure to know when that content is coming out. Thanks for watching.